Hey, cousins, give me 2 minutes of your time and I'll give you the best way to get plastered during the third Republican debate. First, the third debate specific rules. Donald Trump states out a fleshed, specific policy proposal. Rand Paul interjects uninvited. The phrase repeal and replace Obamacare is used. Ted Cruz stares directly into the camera over 20 uninterrupted seconds. Marco Rubio references Obama, quote, leading from behind on foreign policy. Mike Huckabee references God, Bible, Jesus, or faith. Carly Fiorina has another large applause line, like the last debate. Christie references his weird 9/11 anecdote again. Jeb Bush is forced to talk about his little brother, George W. Jeb challenges Trump directly, or vice versa. If Ben Carson holds his hands together like a doctor while speaking, take a drink. If you zone out because Carson is talking way too slow or monotone, take a shot. If Trump insults anyone, if he opens the entire debate with an insult. Lightning bonus round, Republican debate classic mode rules. Candidate goes over allotted time by 5 seconds. Candidate goes over allotted time by 12 seconds or more. Candidate challenges opponent by name. Candidate dodges or redirects a tough question. Moderator tells candidate, hey, you didn't answer the question. Someone mentions Ronald Reagan. Candidate references humble beginnings. I'm the son of a farmer, barkeeper, and my mom was a maid. Take a drink. If crowd cheers loudly. If crowd gives a standing ovation. If a candidate challenges the moderator directly and aggressively. If a candidate begins listing off numbers, percentages, budget achievements under their administrations. Check out my Everything You Need to Know for the Third Debate video, and add your drinking game rules below.